Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you Instagram message swipe replay not working. Now I am showing here two easy method. So first of all, open Instagram account. Tap on the message icon and select a conversation. Now conversation when I replay, my swipe replay not working. Look here, replay option missing. So method number one, first of all open your Play Store and search here to Instagram, and first time you need to update. Now I'm updated it. So check in the method number two, go to again Instagram, click on the profile icon, look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy, scroll down, click on help, report a problem, tap on the cross icon and delete screenshot. Copy the alt text and you need to just type here, and now click on send, and you need to just waiting some time, then Instagram team automatically resolve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.